Welcome back to another food vlog. Tonight, we're bringing you guys along for a special dinner experience at Wanomiya G Tower. But what makes this episode extra special, you may ask? Well, we have a VIP guest tonight. Wanomiya is located on level 28 of G Tower, where an usher will send you guys straight up. And here we are. Wanomiya is a Japanese yakiniku restaurant famous for its all-you-can-eat barbecue experience. Let's get inside and check out the menu. And here he is, our VIP, the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Zambit! Get ready for an epic Japanese yakiniku buffet and a full food review from Zambit himself. Wanomiya offers a buffet-style yakiniku, where you can order as much as you want within 90 minutes. The menu is divided into several sessions, and the dining experience follows a step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose your starter set. For our meal tonight, we decided to go with the starter set on the menu. This includes a mix of premium meats to kickstart our yakiniku session. We're going for the wagyu and seafood. A solid choice for first-timers. Step 2. Order your main selections. After finishing our starter set, we can order anything from the main menu, including different cuts of beef, lamb, chicken, seafood, and even side dishes like sushi and tempura. Step 3. Enjoy the unlimited side dishes. Besides the yakiniku, they also have appetizers, sushi, rice bowls, miso soup, fresh vegetables, and many more. Step 4. Wrap it all up with dessert. For dessert, they have an array of ice cream choices from Baskin-Robbins.
Oh, dah lah.
Dah? So you have to pusing.
Benda ni benda sangat dah. Kita boleh naikkan ke?
Boleh je, naik atas.
Naik ke? Ah. Kenapa?
Dah kot.
Saya tak suka sangat. Dah kan? The sauce? Which one you want?
Yang tu kot. Yang tu boleh.
Ni.
Thank you. Alright, now let's hear from the birthday boy himself. Zambit, how's the food?
Asin.
Masalah dia makan macam bubur. Cukup masuk. Alhamdulillah nak menikmati sikit-sikit.
Janganlah guna garam ni.
Oh, next food. Ni?
Baik. Kok. Rasa dia nyah. Biasa je nyah.
Controversial lah yang ni.
It's a coke.
Tamago maki.
Mak keras je. Apa tadi ya?
No reaction.
Galeng.
Good.
Tak faham.
Tapi muka
Tak.
dia tak macam dia pun.
Tadi macam atas je ni. What is this?
Mayonnaise.
Capstick kot.
Oh, ya.
Capstick.
Ya, ya.
Ni apa benda? Aku zoom.
Dia cari sudu lah tu. Sudu aiskrim.
Okay. Ah,
Nak kena ada bunyi ke?
rasa dia biasa
Menghamburkan.
sangatnya.
Sekali.
Lagi sini.
Rasa dia. Masih biasa.
Masih biasanya. Yang ni next sate. Okay. First without sauce.
Wait. Kena ikut kacang ke, Bik? Ni.
With sauce.
Sate dia agak little bit of kering. The sauce is good. You can eat the sauce. Sebab dia punya
Ya, cuba yang kering tu.
kacang dia well blend. Halus.
Rasa serai.
Sauce dia okey, cuma sate dia kering
Very
sikit.
kering. Lihat macam tu. Biasa je. Biasa je ni.
Jatuh.
Biasa je ni.
Is it good?
Sama good.
Wow. Same the best.
Ya.
Tak ada benda. It's like sushi wagyu.
Kau tuna ke, Bik?
Okay.
Tuna ke? Ni? Okay. Rewind sushi tuna. Okay.
Not sure what it is.
Nampak sedap. Taste. Raw. First. Rasa dia okey. Cuma dia punya cutting tu agak sikit tebal. This one. Okay. Nampak Okay, so kita try it with sauce. Always fail lah. This one good. Salmon is good.
Salmon always
Cutting dia okay. Tak tebal and nice to eat. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Let's eat raw first. It's good.
Daging.
The good combination. The sauce is so special. The sauce is so good. Recommend this. Okay, yang ni tak tahu apa. Maybe like a pound.
What is this?
Udang.
Oh, Abby.
Ebi.
Abby.
Ebi. Rangup. A little bit of oily sikit. Sikit lah. Okay, let's dip with the sauce. The sushi is good. Jangan dip dengan sauce ni. Tak kena. Jangannya. Dia tak masuk. No. Okay. Sekejap Tadi sos yang mana yang sedap
Tonight.
Yeah, you want soy sauce?
Okay, dia kata nampak macam sedap. Taste. Okay. So, kita try with the sauce. Crunchy. Looks good. Tak ada bau smelly semua. Good sashimi. Okay, next. I don't know what is
This
this.
Thai sauce.
What is this?
I'm gonna try. I don't know.
Okay. Rasa sikit tu. Tak ada rasa apa-apa. Ni macam ikan kot.
Ikan.
Ikan?
Takut kalau ikan cepat. Kan dia berkecai.
Tak tahu.
Macam sesuatu yang lain. Not sure.
Undefined.
Undefined.
Tapi rasa dia tak ada rasa. Kosong.
Tak ada rasanya.
Tak ada rasanya. Dia rasa
kot
macam
dia.
makan cucumber.
Shiro Magura. Shiro Maguro.
Okay, the last one is like the sushi. Sushi ni saya rasa a little bit of tebal sikit tengok belah sini. Dia potongan tak sekata. Nampak tebal, this one is like nipis. Maybe ada reason dia kan. Okay. Kalau salmon ni saya suka makan raw macam ni je. Thumbs up. Overall 5/10.
Expectations. Reality.
Okay. Keras sikit.
Lebih masak.
Yang ni memang tebal sikit. Nampak ke?
Put your hand
Tebal
like this.
sikit.
Yeah.
Nampak muka.
Yang ni favourite lah. Kat mana-mana pun memang saya akan cari this. The eel. Okay.
Biasa-biasa je.
Biasanya macam kau boleh dapat kat Sushi King. Dia punya orang lagi banyak tak rekod sebelah bawah dia nampak
Dia takut abang order lagi. Sempat banyak sikit abang tu punya.
Oh, I love wasabi.
Wasabi, it's like mustard, gives it a real kick.
Ooh, I love mustard.
Pedas.
You should try this. The potato is so good. It's hot and spicy.
How can be spicy one?
Not spicy that lah. Okay. Alright, thank you.
Okay, balut dengan ni. Wait. Oh. Balut with the daging.
Kimchi Malaysia.
Oh, ya.
Originally Malaysia. Tak ada datang unsur-unsur tu macam dia kurang masam kot. Dia kayunya besar sikit. But overall okay lah. Oh. In my heart. All the time. You know I fantasize.
Bismillah.
Okay, ni kita a new things for me. Dia salmon skin punya apa sayur salad. Okay. Nampak macam sedap. Oh. Tapi dia tak crunchy Ya. Tak crunchy. Atasnya macam guna sos mustard. Saya akan bagi better kalau dia more crunchy. For now, leave it like 5/10. Boleh makan, tapi tak repeat. What is that? Oh, sotong. The start of the show. It's my tamago. Dengan ada wagyu. Zam and telur tak boleh pisah ya.
Zam PG.
Rasa dia.
Luar biasa.
Who ordered this potato again? Baby food.
So good.
Who ordered the bloody potato? Is it him?
Should try this. Combination of good. Telur dia juicy. As you can see that dia punya wagyu tu ada bawang. Aku rasa tak payah ada sos pun tak apa. Boleh makan macam ni je. Tapi ada mayonis dia sedap ni. Mana potato?
Gosong. You ordered potato?
Ya.
Damn you. Done?
Not yet.
More.
Not yet. Done.
Done.
Okay, done. Not yet.
No, if you up to you. You want more?
Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay. Wah.
Alright. Just for decoration. Decoration. One hairy. Decoration. Masam ya?
Dapat selamatkan.
Okay. Yours? Oh, cantiknya. You want it to have a red a bit or not? No red. Nanti tenggelam je lah.
Okay dah.
Oh,
Dah.
dah.
Nanti kalau lawan dia apa? Kerat apa?
Ah, dia keras betul. Oh. Why lah.
Dah habis.
Tapi kalau just normal daging makan je.
Depends on the taste lah juga.
Betul?
The mushroom.
Oh.
Okay. Tadi dah review daripada unnormal reaction. Now is the normal reaction lah The level of spicy itself There's a little bit of it. Kalau awak tak makan pedas, don't try this. It's burning babe.
Merah doh muka awak.
Lagi lembut lah.
Rasa okay. Level of spiciness dia too hot to handle babe. Rasa dia mantapnya. For those yang suka sup yang pedas-pedas macam ni, recommend. Sebab dia ada rasa lemak-lemak. Lepas tu pedas-pedas.
Sedap lah miso dia tapi.
Dengar sikit reaction untuk normal.
Sedap. Pedas. Masin. Bertenaga.
Tu different apa reaction.
You want to eat ke? Kau nak makan ke?
Tu rasa. How it taste?
Wow. Okay. Not bad.
Not bad
Not bad. Dia punya daging pun sedap. Cuma rupa dia tak berapa cantik. We eat everything slowly, so macam kenyang je.
Alhamdulillah lah. Tak apa-apa gemuk hari ni.
Okay, ni Kak kata our first review, dia cakap it's good. Dia tengok tekak dia. Good. Dia manis-manis, dia tak pedas. So untuk orang yang tak makan pedas, it's good for me. Tu rasa pada miso tadi memang hilang. It's out because of this. Tofu and also wagyu beef. Tengok dia ada like juicy. Gagal giggle-giggles there. Good. Okay, for me. Zero.
Nak juga dia orang mamah dengan emas. Ambil.
Aiskrim kat sini Baskin Robbins je. Baskin Robbins biasa like Nestle, Walls. Yang ni strawberry yogurt rasanya.
Strawberry sendiri ke apa?
Tak tahulah. Tapi memang rasa strawberry yogurt lah.
Ni confirm cookies and cream. Here. Confirm.
Confirm eh?
You change the spoon.
Confirm.
Confirm mint.
Ya.
Mint chocolate chip.
Favorite Kak Sada.
Ubat gigi. Brownie.
Confident je.
Rasa. Taste like brownie. Jamocha fudge. Brownie.
Brownies.
Jamocha fudge.
This one. Apa? What is this?
Raspberry.
Are you waker?
Raspberry.
Ya. Tapi tu raspberry ada nama lain kan? Dia panjang sikit kot nama dia.
Ni strawberry cheesecake.
Nak yogurt lah?
Tapi tak ada cheesecake pula.
Bukanlah.
Strawberry je kot.
Kan dia rasa yogurt.
Tapi strawberry.
It's strawberry lah.
Dah lama tak makan semenjak last one. I think this chocolate chip. Ni ke?
Oh, this one lah.
Tak sure. Apa dia? Kau chocolate chip. Vanilla something?
Vanilla.
Something.
Lepas tu dia ada coklat. Coklat.
I like this one, the masam one.
I like this one.
This one and that one.
And this one. The
And this one. That one like gosok gigi.
So senang cakap, Baskin Robbins ice cream is the best. Note lah. Okay. Nama dia rasakan. The dessert is like 5/5. The food boleh bagi 3.5/5. Sebab tak tahulah, maybe the sauce ke macam biasa-biasa lah, cuma dia punya wagyu je lah. Tapi dia ada some of the food yang dia punya thickness of food tu macam tak kena. Like the salmon yang ada satu sushi tu, show it. 3.5. The water is good lah. Tapi kalau dia ada water macam contoh bagai macam ada fruit juice ke apa juice ke, is more better lah compare kepada dia bagi just tea and also soft drinks. And environment okay, bersih semua. Layanan okay. What else? Apa lagi? The waiter, he's okay. Okay kot, everything is okay. Patut. Okay, thank you. Thank for the feeds. Balcony sini Balcony. Straight.
And that wraps up our amazing yakiniku dinner at Wanomiya G Tower. Big thanks to Zambit for joining us on his birthday feast. Hope you had a good one, buddy. If you're in KL and craving Japanese barbecue, this place is a must try. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more food adventures. See you in the next episode. Until then, stay hungry and keep exploring.